Oh, I got lost on the way to you, in an orange sky by the ocean blue.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new or you bumped into this YouTube channel, karibuni sana. My name is Jennifer Mwithi and I'm glad to have you here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking here. So on today's video we have a house hunting video, which is I'm going to show you a number of bed sitters, very affordable and also spacious. So stay tuned and watch till the end and just get to know and see the prices till the end. So we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, let's hit 1,000 subscribers and we're going to go a long way. So let's get right into the video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive.
So guys, as you have watched and seen, this is a newly constructed apartment. Yes, it's still coming up and the bed sitters are very spacious, as you have seen. So they are not yet done with the painting, with fixing the wirings and also the cabinets, and also doing the doors. As you see, they haven't painted the doors. So these are some of the things that are not yet been done to completion, but they are very spacious, as you can see. So they have not painted the walls, they have not put in the sockets, but they already put the window panes and just the cleaning up here. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty and dusty, but it's very spacious. As you can see, the kitchen cabinets have been fitted in, only a few touch-ups, and also the bathroom is almost done, but unluckily all the bathroom doors were locked. So I just had to give you the view of the living area stroke bedroom area and the kitchen. So guys, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let's watch till the end, then I can tell you the location and the prices of this place. They are different alignments, so watch till the end and see which alignment has just you. Yeah, so it has different alignments on every house, so stay tuned and watch till the end. As I've told you, the paints are not yet done. As you can see, even the door, it has a lot of air spaces which should be locked and closed. Yes, so yeah, so I love the kitchen and the flooring. I love the details that I have done in there. Aside from the kitchen cabinets being a little small, but I love the color palette on this bed sitter. So stay tuned and watch till the end.
What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
Guys, everybody has a balcony. Isn't that nice? Isn't that thoughtful? Yeah, so every tenant has their own door leading to the balcony, their own balcony where they do not share with any other person. Isn't that good? Isn't that great? So everybody has a space where they can put anything and everything they need to put in their house. So It's a good thing. It's a good thing. And the other con that I checked is there is no wardrobe, as you have seen. I am eager to see whether they're going to install it. I'm going to come back and show you the final product of this space, so guys can move in, because in 1 or 1.5 months time they should be done, and they should guys should be coming in. So stay tuned. I'll tell you when I'll post another video after it's done, so continue watching. I love the faucet, the water, the faucets that were installed, especially in the kitchen. Don't I just love these loop ferrages? Don't I love them? Yeah. And yeah, it was thoughtful for the tenant. Again, I feel so bad we couldn't see the bathroom, but I loved everything. Yeah, I loved everything. As I've told you, I love the kitchen faucet. I love it. And also the detail on the tiles. It's just giving kitchen vibes. Coffee, give me coffee. Yeah, so let's continue, like, share. We're on a road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. We're on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Support a girl. We need to grow this channel, manzi. Every girl or any guy who owns a bedsitter, what are your cons or any disappointment you have with your bedsitters? Kindly comment down below. We can share. And what do you need tenants to know on when they are constructing bedsitters? Guys, just comment down below, because bedsitters zingine a little bit expensive. They are meeting the needs, but mfuko inakata. Just say nini the essentials that you need to be installed in a bedsitter. What do you need to be installed, so guys can watch and see and know what we need in a bedsitter, so that other guys who are building, or other constructors, or any other landlord who's thinking of constructing bedsitters can give their comment. I can get comments from here and just construct even more thoughtful bedsitters. Yeah, so comment down below. Let's continue watching, then we can get to know the prices.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to
So guys, these bedsitters range from 7,500 Kenya shilling all the way to 8,500 Kenya shillings. Can you believe that? That is the price of these bedsitters. As I've told you, this is a newly constructed apartment, and also it also has 1-bedroom apartments, which I'm going to show you in a part 2 video, so stay tuned. So guys, this is located at Athi River, Machakos County, at a place called Embakasi. Yeah, water is already in place. We have fresh water, which is from EPZ. Yeah, so you're guaranteed to have water all through. As I've told you, this is a newly constructed place, and guys are still constructing. And yeah, so thank you for watching till this far. God bless you. Bye.